Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today, guys, we're gonna be see this is amazing hypercar that have Ferrari engine. You can see the same an amazing exhaust, and you can see the underneath of the car. This is a special edition of design. You can see the door is amazing. Oh, oh, it's broke. Okay, let's open this thing. Oh, can see guys, it's amazing. You can see this is amazing and so amazing. So yeah guys, this is for video today, and I'm not dead guys. I mean, just kidding. Okay guys, this is for next video. I'm gonna be complete this Lego. I mean, it's amazing. You can see this car is super real. You can see this like an intake in gonna be in here and here, just straight to in, and gonna be in here and here. So yeah guys, that gonna be video today. So good